good time to get in the welding industry right now. We pay people to come here to get trained and qualified to do their job. You know, it's a skill that you take with you. We're very unique being able to provide the training we do.
Like I said, I've been here for 15, but just a year ago, I learned how to TIG weld right here at the shop. Worked out great. Get to learn the skill, don't have to pay any training class, you know, so it's a good thing. It's clean, a good bunch of people to work with. You need a hand with something, everybody's always willing to lend a hand and answer questions. I do like the variety because we cover a lot of different stuff and you bounce around from one thing to another. It's not the same thing day in, day out. I think as far as support that you get as an employee, you're going to get that on a lot of different levels. I mean, if you feel the need to grow, the support behind you to do that is fabulous. I mean, it really is fabulous. You need to have an income, you need benefits, you need retirement, you need savings in today's world, you need all those things. Westmor's kind of the head of the game on a lot of that stuff. That takes a lot of the worry out of your life. You're building a product, but you're also building your life.